very good morning to all our students from the King's School and Childcare. Students, this Wednesday, our health topic is on vitamin C. Is vitamin C really important to build our immunity during this COVID-19 pandemic? Well, we have already gone through vitamin A and vitamin B. Let's see what vitamin C has to nourish our bodies with. Students, during this COVID-19 pandemic, it has been seen since December 19 that it is on the rise, it is spreading, and there is an urgent need for a vaccine and for a cure. But I would like to encourage you, let's build on our immunity. That is have foods that will build our immunity naturally. And vitamin C is naturally found in certain vegetables, in fruits and in nuts. Come on, let's go through the video. Well, students, this Wednesday our health topic is on vitamin C. Let us learn why vitamin C is very beneficial to build our immunity, and especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, let's go through the slides. I quickly put my camera off and let us see the vitamin C importance during this coronavirus pandemic. This has made us all extra cautious about our health. With no concrete treatment for the virus yet, the only way to keep ourselves safe is by keeping our immunity strong. Students, one of the most common ways to boost up your immunity is through vitamin C, which is also called as ascorbic acid. Now, this vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. What do you mean by water-soluble? Water-soluble meaning it is easily soluble in water. Yes. So that means when you have your orange or your broccoli and chew it well and drink some water, it can easily dissolve in the water and get into your system. So that is, you get your nutrition, vitamin C, easily through whatever you eat. And it is essential for the growth and repair of tissues. Not one, but there are multiple ways vitamin C can help boost our immunity. Students, see this glass? There is a glass with some tablets thrown in. These are vitamin C tablets, also known as saline. These tablets get easily dissolved, so they are dispersible tablets that can be easily dissolved in the glass of water and then you can drink it. But we recommend to have fresh juices or a fruit to get your recommended dose of vitamin C. Let us see what is the recommended dose for children. As you see the list, let us go through it in detail. So kids between 1 to 3 years of age need about 15 milligrams of vitamin C. Then 4 to 8 years, that is those in the 2nd, 3rd and 4th standard, need about 25 milligrams of vitamin C. Then as we go ahead, at about 4th standard, 5th standard, 6th standard and the 7th also require 45 milligrams of vitamin C. And the teens, 14, 18 and even 19 and 20 require about 65 to 75 milligrams of vitamin C daily. How do we get this recommended dosage? Now, whatever numbers I've said, let us see how do we get this. For example, one large red guava. See the guavas which they have a red in the center, they contain about 120 milligrams of vitamin C, a lot of vitamin C. One medium-sized orange contains about 70 to 80 milligrams of vitamin C. So if you have one orange daily, especially your mamas, your papas and the teen age group, that is I said 60 to 75 milligrams, you get enough of vitamin C for the day. 1 cup of broccoli contains about 90 milligrams of vitamin C. So you get a lot of vitamin C through the diet, so you don't need to take your tablets. And I would recommend you take a lot of fruits and vegetables, especially during this COVID-19 season. Do not take tablets and stick to tablets, because let's build our immunity the natural way. See, the easiest diet trick to boost your vitamin C levels, it is squeeze a lime onto your salads, onto your food. Maybe you can fry some fish, squeeze a lemon, fry some chicken, or maybe even your rice, biryanis, you can squeeze a lemon, or any breakfast dish. Importance of vitamin C, the list could go on. You get a lot of vitamin C through guavas, thyme, parsley, kiwi, broccoli, lychee, papaya, oranges, and of course, oranges are favorite. Children, I would recommend you have a lot of fruits and vegetables to boost your immunity and get a lot of vitamin C during this season. Let's stay fit. Children, vitamin C is easily absorbed into your body. It is called water soluble, and it is also excreted easily out of your body. So there is no case of excess of vitamin C that gets into your body. All that is excess will be excreted out from your body. So what is needed. So that's why this is called a micronutrient. What is required for the day will be taken in through your diet. So it's a daily, including your diet with daily fruits and daily vegetables, which will give you the recommended dose of vitamin C. Thank you very much.